Hello guys, it's David from Trade Support Group. Happy Monday to everyone. Hopefully you're having a successful Monday. We're off to a good start ourselves. Want to do a quick review of the Bitcoin US dollar, otherwise known as the Bitcoin. So basically you guys are watching it, who are following it, are familiar with what Bitcoin has done over the past week. We jumped from, as you remember from our last video, we were around the same $7,200 mark, and we predicted a price jump to about $7,600. It went to about $7,650. Now we're back down below this support line. It dropped to. You can see we're using a Fibonacci retracement. Okay. And notice that it bounced on this Fibonacci line here. Now where we are currently is around 7,300 with our next resistance line at about 7,400, that same line back here that it broke through. So what we want to keep an eye on, guys, is a breakthrough through 7,400, because this could easily start a bullish wave momentum. Okay, and what I mean by that is the next step up is 7,700, give or take, which has not this line of, in this case, resistance has not held very much, and so the chances of it breaking it are a little bit higher. And we could see Bitcoin possibly within the next week or two move up to around 8,000. So in order for us to get this indication, though, we are patiently waiting for Bitcoin to break the 74.20 mark, so we can go ahead and get in on some orders. But on the reverse side, just so you guys can analyze it with me, I want you guys to take a look at, we have a gap here. It's already covered the gap nearly. Chances are it may go back down to the 7,100 area. Could be another good potential buy zone there as well. So we will keep you guys updated. Let us know if you have any questions. Visit us at tradesupportgroup.com. Get free consultation. Like, subscribe to the channel, get all the information you need at one place, guys. And remember, wake up tomorrow feeling satisfied with yesterday. Talk to you guys soon.